Our top story, the Supreme Court has said they will hear the bail application of JNU student leader Kanhaiya Kumar, and that too just tomorrow. In his bail application, Kanhaiya said his lawyers couldn't come to lower court given the threats and violence they were likely to face. Protest marches are taking place across the country, some in solidarity with Kanhaiya Kumar and JNU students and others against them.
From JNU to Jadavpur, anger and protests spreading at lightning speed. In Delhi and Kolkata, students on the war path. A show of strength for Kanhaiya, the 28-year-old student leader from JNU, arrested for sedition. Their demand: release Kanhaiya Kumar, drop sedition charges against JNU students and reinstate freedom of speech on campuses. JNU's battle getting crucial backing from other universities in the capital too. JNU, Delhi University, Jamia uniting despite ideological differences.
The police at this point are saying there are at least 4,000 to 5,000 students and more trickling in every hour. It's a massive show of strength for JNU. Also trying to say, with those roses in hands, I want to ask you, ये गुलाब किसके लिए लेकर आए हैं?
Because I want peaceful protest, and if someone will spill stones,
वो पत्थर मारेंगे?
हम उसे फूल देंगे.
Fault lines clearly visible with the ABVP holding counter protests. A self-respect march in Kolkata, Mumbai, Bengaluru, staking their claim on national pride. At another campus, a confrontation waiting to happen. Jadavpur University under siege for 3 hours, with students and ABVP activists daring each other and the police struggling to control the chaos. Black flags flying in the air, the two groups out-shouting each other in a battle of chants.
The Jadavpur University on my right, and not just students but teachers have also come out in large numbers to support the students, because I think we can now begin to see the ABVP march coming up the road from Jadavpur police station, and by the second, tensions and tempers are mounting over here.
कोई प्ररोचना में हम एंटर नहीं करेंगे. अगर वो कुछ भी करे, हम नॉन वायलेंट रहेंगे और नॉन वायलेंट रह के उसका काउंटर करेंगे.
देश प्रेमियों को तो रोक दिया जाता है और देशद्रोहियों को बढ़वा दिया जाता है. यही हम लोगों का, ये राज्य का सरकार है.
Finally, the ABVP activists stopped by the police barely 500 meters from the main gate. Outside the university, the BJP taking its so-called anti-national fight to the court, filing a petition demanding that the Central Terror Agency investigate Jadavpur students and teachers. And as India erupted over who's a patriot and who's anti-national, the man who has divided students and politicians made an appeal for bail in the top court. Dragged and beaten even in police custody, Kanhaiya Kumar claimed he is worried about his safety and perceives a threat to his life even in jail. Kanhaiya said he has been falsely implicated and his bail will not impact investigations. The petition also said that Kanhaiya is a student, not a hardened criminal. India's top court will now hear Kanhaiya Kumar's bail plea tomorrow. With Monideepa Banerjee in Kolkata and Arunachalam Vaidyanathan and Sonal Mehrotra in New Delhi, Kethi Yangre for NDTV.